Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be creating this look. I really like it. I'm in love with this. So you can do this makeup for a Mayu event, for a Mehndi event, or going out. If you're going out to a party or clubbing, you can do this makeup look. It's really nice. It's really nice and elegant, and as you can see, I'm smiling and I'm loving this look. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with cleaning my face. As you can see, I have some black eyeliner in my eyes. So I'm just with the micellar water, I'm just cleaning my face. I'm going in with the Rimmel primer and just putting that on my face, and then going in with I went in with the Nivea cream first and then the primer. So primer I used was Benefit Cosmetics primer, not the Rimmel one. Now I am just putting that primer on. So I'm going in with this concealer, the shade C6 in Revolution concealer. I'm just blending that, dabbing the product and just into my skin. I'm just going to set this off with the translucent powder as well. As you can see, they're all done. I'm just setting them off. First of all, I am going in with the big blending brush, taking this orange shade, applying on my crease. Just look at the pigment. Only one it was only one basically stroke, and look at that pigment. I did blend it in both sides of my eyes, as you can see. And then I'm going with a smaller blending brush, placing the orange color just below it, just taking it inside in my crease, and then going back in with the big blending brush, going over that yellow, just to make sure that this yellow is still, if we can still see the yellow. So I'm going to do that on both of the sides. I'm just putting the orange on and then the yellow on again. Now I've taken this round brush and I'm going to just focus on the outer corner first. After I focus on the outer corner, I'm just going to take that product inside. So this is the third shade that I'm using, and I'm just going in, blending that, repeating the process on the other side as well, and taking that orange shade and also the first shade as well, just blending everything together. And I felt like I've taken too much product, so I'm just trying to, that last shade I took, just gonna take that off a little bit. Okay, now I'm going in with this pink shimmer shade, and I'm just making like a cut crease kind of shape. As you can see, I'm going to do that on both of the sides, just very carefully making sure it doesn't go all over your eyelid. And now again, I'm taking this shade, the red one I used, just blending that with the shimmer. I did take a little bit of black as well, just to give it that depth, just blending everything together. I was still not happy with, I felt like it was too much, so I'm just lightening that up a little bit. It's just your preference. I just don't like too much dark, so that's why I'm just going in. So next up, I am just going in with my concealer. As you can see, I have created a sharp line underneath the shadow because I do want a sharp line. So I'm just blending that all together and just pressing the translucent powder in, just to make sure my eyes don't crease. Just really pressing in that powder, and it's a really good tip for your eyes not to crease. Now I'm going in with the dark green shade with my round brush on my lower lids. I'm going to do that on both of the sides, and then I'm gonna go in with a neon green just underneath. I'm gonna apply it on both of the sides. Then I'm gonna take a flat brush, a small flat fluffy brush, and just going to blend it all together. So this is how the eyes are looking at the moment. Just really blending it together. Just finishing off with my not gel eyeliner, with my white eyeliner from NYX, and just going to do the rest of the face. I'm just bronzing my face here, and this is the final look. Guys. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you do give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon. Thank you.